Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you some ideas how you can use ESP32 cam with any bulb holder box or any other box. So this is my setup. So I have punched a hole inside this box, and inside this you can see all the wirings and all. So I have used CP2120 I think USB module. So it will be like used for like uploading the code, as well as you can use it for power up this ESP32 cam. So I'm not using SD card or anything. So the whole idea is what I have set up. If someone click on the click on the doorbell, it will trigger some Alexa action, and my Alexa Echo Show should open IP address on Echo Show, so I should be able to like see the stream. Or other than that, you can also go to like on a browser and like type in the IP address and you will see the stream. So it's a very like do-it-yourself thing, and all the modules are easily available in the market, and it will gonna cost you around 750 something including taxes for ESP32 cam. I think 750 to 800, and for CP module I think it will cost you around 250 rupees, and some jumper cables it will be included I think with this module. So I think it's pretty straightforward setup, and I have used like very basic available code from the internet, and for now I'm using power bank to for testing purposes. And when I set it up on a balcony, so I will be using a USB adapter to power this up. So I have used a USB female cable. So if you can see here, as you can see, this is the CP2120. It has a male USB. So some module also have a micro USB, but it has a male one, so I have used USB female, and so that I can like attach it to any USB adapter. So that is my setup. So I hope you get some idea, and for live feed you can use this setup. So as I live in second floor, so from there I just want to know that who actually pressed the bell. So it is not very clear to set up this kind of cam on a second floor, but something is always better than nothing. So even if I get the image, like if someone is carrying something or courier someone, if some courier person comes, so I will get to know that. So for now I will just see how stable it is. So I will be just merging all the videos. So I think yes, this is it. So guys, in last video you have seen that how I set up this ESP32 cam inside this box. So in this video I will show you how you can make it waterproof. So it's a very basic trick. Like you can put it inside a polythene bag, and you need to just make sure that it's tightly taped up, so that you won't find any silhouettes and all on the cam itself. So that is how I have set it up, and with Wi-Fi I don't think it is going to do any problem, but I will update it if I find it any hard to use using this thing. So I will be putting it on my balcony wall like that, and it will this camera will be pointed out in our street, just top of the door. So I should be able to see all the feeds from downside. So that is my easiest setup you can have. So just a polythene. So guys, this is my setup. So as you can see, I have used this cam here. So this is the cam, and it will be pointing in straight, so I should be able to get my Activa and other view from the street. And this is powered by USB, so very normal setup, so I will just tidy it up after a couple of testing. So that is how it will be used. So I will just show you using a screen capture what footage I am getting right now. So guys, let me just go to my Chrome, and now you can see I am here. There is a slight delay for I think around 2 to 3 seconds, and this bike just passed. So I think it will do like the justice if you talk about the price. And I think that's it. We don't need it, and let me just switch it to something like a live view with my normal camera. And now you can see this is the current view of it, and when I switch it to my cam, and you can see there is a rickshaw passing by from my home. So now there is a scooter. So I think that's it for this video. So I will try to make a tutorial of it if I get the time, but for now this is just for demo purpose. I also try to show it like how I have set it up using Alexa. So maybe I will combine that video as well. So guys, I will show you how I'm going to trigger this using Alexa routine. When I open the Alexa app, it will not going to record my audio, so I will just brief you before opening it. So what I will do is I will just click on the play button of the routine, and it is triggered by my ring bell. So when it does, what it will do is it will show some pass some Alexa command to my Echo Show, and it will going to open the feed using browser. So now I have you. So as you can see, I have used open silk command, so it will going to open the browser on Echo Show. Let me just.
Here's Silk.
As you can see, it triggers it, and it should open the feed. So now you can see it is opening the feed, and there is some Radiowala is here. So now this is the Jugadu setup of this cam with Echo Show. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any comment regarding this, please comment below. Sorry about the tutorial thing, I'm not able to do so because of the time, but I will guide you through if you are interested in this. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.